In 2023, this was the exact chart that helped us catch the bottom of Bitcoin right there around $16,000. We caught the bottom of Solana, Jasmine, Pepe, all the other coins, and we rode them right back even into the top. Even though a lot of people were screaming doom, doom, we said according to the rainbow chart, that was the best time to buy. We said every time on the rainbow chart, if you had just bought when prices were at the blue, you would have caught the bottom. Same thing right here we saw in 2015, the bottom of the chart at the blue extent or the blue level. We caught the bottom. Same thing in 2020, the blue level, we caught the bottom. Same thing we were saying on the chart. If you check the history of our channel, we were saying on the channel this was the period to buy. This was in 2023 going into 2023. We were saying the chart was at the blue level, buy, and we have seen that push to the upside. Now I'm going to be showing you why we are still going to see a bull run in 2025 and why a lot of millionaires will be made to pay attention to this video as we get right in. So one of the things we can see that immediately you bought either at the blue level or after the halving, as you can see the first halving which happened right here in 2012, you would have had a massive bull run. Same thing right here, if you either bought at the blue level or after the second halving, you would have seen this massive push to the upside in the bull run. Same thing in 2020. If you had bought in that blue level when prices were at that blue level at around 5,000, or you basically just bought after the halving, you would have experienced this sort of massive bull run. Same thing we were saying on the channel in 2023 when Bitcoin and all the altcoins were at their bottom. We said this was the best time to buy. If you had bought in, you would have been up a whopping amount. But this is the last opportunity as we have just gotten the push or the signal of the fourth halving. If you had just bought after every halving, you would have experienced this sort of massive bull run. So millionaires will be made for people who are accumulating now, as we are about to see another massive push to the upside in a lot of coins, right? So as we look at the chart, we are going to give you even more proof to see that we are going to see massive push to the upside for this coin. So SUI, right? We're on the chart for SUI versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame. KuCoin is the data source, right? SUI, quite a new coin, right? Launched around 2023. We saw that massive push right here to the upside. Even in 2020, so we saw another push, showing that SUI has a lot of potential. If we just draw this with our Fibonacci price prediction tool, as you can see, we saw that massive bottom right here in October 2023, saw this massive push to the upside from the I think the $0.4 level. We went to as high as the $2.1 level, which is about a 400% push. Currently, we have seen SUI push right back down even to that $0.687 level, showing that this is the next best time to be accumulating SUI positions, as we are still expecting that towards 2025 we could still see higher price targets for SUI. And the target for SUI basically is our full extension, which is at the $7 level right here, because SUI has not had any major bull run throughout its existence, right? So if we see that major bull run happen, expect to see SUI at around the $7.8 level, and that could make a lot of people a lot of money. So you want to be accumulating SUI right here at the bottom, as we are about to see another massive push to the upside coming towards Q4 of 2024 going into 2025 right there for SUI, right? So you want to position yourself right here at this level, as we are about to see another move to the upside right here for SUI. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week ahead.